Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to activate Apple Intelligence on your device. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Update your device. Make sure your device is running the latest software. Go to Settings, General Software. Install any available updates. Step 2. Enable Siri. Siri is a key feature of Apple Intelligence. Go to Settings, Siri and search Toggle. Listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri to on-follow prompts to set up voice recognition. Step 3. Activate Personalization. Enable personalized features for smarter suggestions. Go to Settings as Privacy. Personalization. Turn on Share, iPhone Analytics and Location Services. Step 4. Turn on Suggestions in Search. Get smarter app and content suggestions. Go to Settings, Siri and search Toggle Suggestions in Search and Suggestions in Lookup to On. Step 5. Use Focus Mode. Focus Mode helps you stay on task with AI-driven notifications. Go to Settings as Focus, set up Do Not Disturb, Sleep, or Custom Focus. Step 6. Explore Shortcuts. Automate tasks using Apple's AI-powered Shortcuts app. Open the Shortcuts app, create or browse pre-made shortcuts. Step 7. Enhance photos and camera. Activate AI features like Smart HDR and Live Photos. Go to Settings, Camera, enable Smart HDR and Live Photos. Step 8. Test features. Try Siri, search suggestions, focus mode, and shortcuts to see Apple Intelligence in action. That's it. Your Apple device is now set up with intelligent features to improve your experience. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials.